So the first type of weighted grade we're going to be talking about is equal weighting. You can see I've added on another column to that same previous example, and I've decided to give the homework category 30%. You may have more or fewer homework assignments. The quiz category 50% and the final category 20%. So the weighted column will add up to 100%. Now, the major difference here between not weighted and equal weighting is that we have a lot more calculations to do, so just bear with me and we'll go through it step by step. So for the first category, homework, let's look at the points earned divided by the points possible. So the student got 5 out of 5 and 26 out of 30, and that translates in percentage to 100% plus 86.7%. Now we want to take the average of that grade, because this is equal weighting. So 100% plus 86.7% divided by 2 is 93.35%. Now we want to weight homework, remember 30%, so let's multiply that by 30%. 93.35% times 30% gives us 28%. So overall in homework, the student got 28% to their total grade. For quizzes, it'll be similar, but with just different numbers. So they got 10 out of 15 and 17 out of 20 is 66.7% plus 85%. And remember, we're taking the average. So 66.7% plus 85% divided by 2, because there's 2 grades. If there are more quizzes, if there's one more quiz, we would divide it by 3 to get the average. That's important to note. 85% plus 66.7% divided by 2 is 75.8%. And now we want to weight quizzes 50%. So the average grade for the quiz, 75.8%. And we want to weight it by 50, so we'll multiply that by 50%, and we get 37.9%. So in homework, 28%, quizzes, 37.9%. And the final is easier because there's just one. Student got 9 out of 10, which is 90%, and we still want to weight the final 20%. Well, 90% times 20% gives us 18%. And if we add all of these categories up, so 28% plus 37.9% plus 18% gives us 83.9%.